Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can create an eBay seller account in Australia. Okay, this is going to be an easy tutorial. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search on your browser, your Google Chrome or Firefox. You want to search for ebay.com.au. I hope I pronounced this correctly. So as you can see, this is exactly what you need to search for. Click enter and it will take you guys directly to Australia eBay account. As you can see, eBay Plus and all the eBay has to offer in Australia. As you can see, you can also do the drop shipping if you want. Now a lot of people I now do the drop shipping from AliExpress to eBay. Okay, so if you want to do that, I already made multiple videos about this. So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click here on register, and you need to, after you click on register, then you want to click here, you want to add your personal information like your first name, last name, email address, the passwords. You can also continue with Google if you want. You can just create an account with Google. Just click here. Okay, it shows your Google account, and that's exactly, guys, how you can create your eBay seller account in Australia. Now as you can see, we have successfully created the account. Now as you can see in Australia. Okay, so you can also add here the your payment methods. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to click on my eBay, click on my eBay summary, click on account. Okay, and after, guys, you click on account, click on payments. Okay, so after, guys, you click on payments, then you can just click on it says here your payment information is not available on international eBay sites. To view and update this information, please go to payments on this. I'm going to show you guys how you can do this, but it's the same. Like after you go to this page, I'm going to show you guys what you need to do. You want to add here, your bank details. Okay, so if you have a Pioneer account, you can also add your Pioneer account. Okay, or as you know, guys, eBay has removed PayPal from eBay. They removed it because they don't want to work with PayPal anymore. Okay, so as you can see, guys, as you can see here, you will find all your earnings and stuff like that. If you scroll down a little bit here, you will see here Pioneer. So I have linked Pioneer, as you can see, to receive payouts. As you can see, Pioneer, as you can see here. Also, I added a credit card, MasterCard. Okay, so you can just click here. It says this plus, as you can see here, and then you can add a card or bank account for payouts. Like if you want to receive your payouts using through your bank account, click on payouts, click on continue, and here you can add. For me, the only option I have is Pioneer. So if you have the option to add your bank details, you can do that. Now after that, what you guys need to, I'm going to go back to eBay, Australia eBay. Okay, I'm going to do that right now. As you can see, I'm back here. So like I said, you just need to go to my eBay, click on account, and click on payments. Like I said, here we'll find here all the option to add your payment methods. Okay, so after, guys, you add your payment methods. If you are allowed to do that there, that's good. If you are not allowed, then to add the payment method, you want to click on sell, and you want to just click on list for free, and then you want to just add the title here of the item you are trying to sell. Even if you don't have any item to sell right now, just add a random thing here, so that after the next step, they will ask you guys to add your payment method so that you can receive payments. Now they will let you guys list the product, but at the end they will ask you guys to add the payment method in order to list that product, and that's what we want. Okay, just add here any title here, then click continue without match or whatever. Okay, so after that, you will ask if it's a brand new, just whatever here, it doesn't really matter. We just want to add the payment method here. Then scroll down at the very bottom, after you add all the specifications, click on list it, and then they will ask you guys to add your payment method there, and this product will be will be saved as a draft. You can come back to it in case you really listed a real product that you already have or you want to drop ship. Okay, so like I said, this is really easy, okay, to create the account, eBay seller account, so that you can start selling on eBay. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. I have been doing eBay dropshipping for a very long time, to be 4 years. You can click the video in the screen if you want to learn exactly how to do dropshipping and how much money I make on eBay. So just click the video in the screen right now, drop a like, and see you guys next video.